Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're taking something from Malcolm Reed's How to Barbecue Right, and we're going to be doing some baby back ribs on the Pitbarrel Jr using one of his barbecue sauce recipes. So let's check this out. So we got our baby back ribs. I got the membrane removed. We're going to be using Malcolm Reed's Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub here. We're going to give this a liberal coating. So on this cook, we're going to be using the Pitbarrel Jr. We got the hook. I'm going to go, actually I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go 2 bones down and get it right in there. Let's get these things hung. We got some hickory in there. We're going to go ahead and let these go for about, I don't know, 3-4 hours. We're not going to wrap. We're going to go ahead and coat with our barbecue sauce, which we're going to make right now. So while our baby back ribs are on the Pitbarrel Jr, let's go ahead and make ourselves a barbecue sauce. Now, this barbecue sauce is straight off from How to Barbecue Right, Malcolm Reed's Tennessee Mojo sauce. I'm doing this minus the Mojo rub. I'm going to be using the Malcolm Reed hot barbecue rub, or Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. I'm going to start out with a little bit of butter. Add some minced onion, some minced garlic. Saute this up for a little bit. All right, it's been a couple minutes. I'm going to add some pineapple juice. Got some Tennessee whiskey. Some brown sugar. And a 1/4 cup of Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. This is where Malcolm used the Tennessee Mojo. We're going to let this cook down and cook out that alcohol. So we got this reduced down a little bit. What we're going to do next is we're going to add a cup of Killer Hogs vinegar sauce. And this is some awesome stuff. All right, so we'll let this just simmer, thicken up a little, and just let it hang out until we're ready to start coating our ribs. All right, so we're at that 3-hour mark. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Got some beautiful color on that. Let's go ahead and hit it with our How to Barbecue Right Malcolm Reed's vinegar barbecue sauce. All right, so here we go. Just a little over 3 hours in the Pitbarrel Jr. I pulled them and then coated them with our Malcolm Reed's vinegar Tennessee barbecue sauce, and then hung them back in there for about 15-20 minutes for it to set up. These things are nice and tender. They smell incredible. Let's go ahead and slice these up. So there we go. Some perfect little meaty baby back ribs done on the Pitbarrel Jr. with Malcolm Reed's Killer Hogs barbecue vinegar sauce and rub. I'm sure Malcolm doesn't know my little channel, man, but I love his rubs. They are just spot on with what I like. One of the few rubs out there that you can buy commercially that I really like, but these are killer. Let's give these a bite. Doesn't get any better than that. Smoky, spicy. You get some salt, some sweet. That porkness just comes right out, nice and tender. These are killer. That Pitbarrel Jr does an awesome job. It's portable. You can take it anywhere and smoke. Pair that with some killer rub and some sauce. You got some great barbecue. Remember, go check out Pitbarrel's website. I'll have the link down below. Also check out Malcolm Reed's Killer Hogs products. Awesome stuff. I'll also have the link down below. And remember, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.